Are you ready to harness the power of Pinterest and generate daily commissions even as a beginner? I'm here to explain the process. This comprehensive tutorial will teach you how to identify viral pins, choose the right niche, create engaging content, and monetize your Pinterest account through affiliate marketing. Let's dive in. Find your niche. Before delving into the possibilities of Pinterest, it's important to identify the right niche. Visit trends.pinterest.com to find trending keywords. Whether it's gardening, home decor, or any other interest, trends.pinterest.com provides insight into today's trends. This tool helps you find profitable niches with high search volume and set yourself up for Pinterest success. Create your profile. Your Pinterest profile is more than just your digital presence. This is your showcase in a busy marketplace of ideas. To attract potential followers, start by creating attractive banners and logos using Canva, a versatile graphic design tool popular with creators around the world. Leverage Canva's variety of templates to provide your unique brand identity and domain expertise. Add relevant keywords to your profile name that will act as a landmark for search engines and direct users to your content. Writing your bio is similar to writing a brand manifesto, so make sure every word counts. Keep it concise but detailed to give visitors a vivid idea of what they can expect from your board. Don't overlook the power of hashtags. Hashtags are breadcrumbs that lead the curious to a digital treasure trove. Aim for clarity and relevance to make sure your bio resonates with your target audience. By staying focused on your niche, you not only establish yourself as an authority, but also attract loyal followers who want to explore your curated content. By carefully crafting your profile, you can lay the foundation for a successful Pinterest presence and ensure you leave a lasting impression. Content curation and creation. Top-notch content curation and creation is central to driving audience engagement and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Start your content journey by searching for influencers that fit your niche on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Explore your content library and carefully analyze engagement metrics like likes and comments to find what resonates best with your audience. Once you find engaging content, it's important to follow ethics and get permission before reusing it on Pinterest. Honor the work of original creators by ensuring proper attribution and establishing trust with both creators and followers. Tools like Saveinsta.app allow you to seamlessly download content without watermarks, preserving its integrity while enriching his Pinterest boards. When filling your board with curated content, be sure to add value to each pin. Through insightful comments, context, or additional resources, we aim to improve the user's experience and foster genuine connections with our viewers. Monetization strategy. Now let's take a look at how you can monetize your Pinterest account through affiliate marketing. Start building your kit at kit.co, a platform where you can curate a collection of affiliate products. Look for products related to your area of expertise and add them to your kit. For example, if your niche is home decoration, assemble a cozy room kit with important decorative items. Providing a convenient shopping experience increases user engagement and increases the likelihood of affiliate conversions. Once your kit is ready, generate a unique link and integrate it into your Pinterest content. Create special boards around specific topics, such as B. Cozy room inspiration to organize your pins effectively. Optimize your pin descriptions with relevant keywords and a compelling call to action. Increase traffic and earn commissions. Now that you've fine-tuned your content and monetization strategy, it's time to increase traffic to your Pinterest account and increase your earning potential. Share hand-picked pins to different Pinterest boards and strategically use by continuously delivering valuable content and refining your monetization strategy. you can achieve sustainable growth and revenue growth over the long term. Pinterest offers affiliate marketers immense potential to generate passive income through curated content and strategic monetization. Maximize your Pinterest earning potential by identifying trending niches, creating engaging profiles, curating quality content, and implementing effective monetization strategies. Remember that success on Pinterest requires dedication, consistency, and commitment to providing value to your audience. As you continue your Pinterest journey, keep experimenting, refining your approach, and adapting to evolving trends. With persistence and creativity, you can turn your passion for Pinterest into a profitable source of income. Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing efforts to a new level? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your Pinterest presence grow.